Hi, I'm Vivia, or you may know me as Viv from Mojo With Me. Today, in this video, I'll be creating a mood board in my bullet journal. I'll be using the prints that are currently on the screen right now, along with some stickers from Zelly's Koi Pond. I will also be using a lot of products from the December subscription box. The journal I'm using is the A5 Moonflowers Neapolitan Journal. It is 160 pages with white, black, and craft paper. You can always use Viv10 on your next purchase for 10% off. Well, let's get right into it. This spread is inspired by Amanda Rach Lee and her spread for, I think, the mood board in 2020. You can always look at her video on YouTube, and it's linked in the blog related to this video. The vellum I'm using here is the vellum from the subscription box. I also created a black envelope where I can put in quotes from the year. Here I'm just trying to put all the prints the way I want them to. You can of course go ahead and change the layout or how you want your prints to rest, but I was just trying to figure out a way I liked it. I then used a white acrylograph to write what I thought the prints would represent for me. I also used the gel pen from the December subscription box on a lighter shade of color because I didn't think the white would look or would go really well with that color. Since this mood board that I created is for my January month, I decided to add a little touch of pink and green because my theme for the month is Kirby, and I really like how this entire thing turned out. I decided to change the quotes to affirmations for the month, as in I write an affirmation every day and then I put it in the envelope. It's just my way of manifesting or just speaking affirmations into reality. Here I'm just trying to go ahead and make some doodles with my acrylographs. I realized the faded Peter acrylograph from the Art and Olive collection was a little light against the craft paper, so I changed it for the vintage denim from the same collection. I then went ahead and started sticking stickers from Zelly's Koi Pond. These stickers are just a way for me to remove any negative space I find or just decorate the spread and all. Here's a little close-up of the spread itself. On the top of the spread, I added a little manifesting a month full of happiness, growth, and new beginnings, since it's a new month and a new year this time. In the bottom left of the page, I added a few goals for this month, so it would help me with my month. I hope you like this spread and were inspired to draw or do something similar in your journal. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.